Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. As we move further into this holiday week, I imagine there are companies who have people out and they're not posting as many jobs, but I am still on the lookout and will share anything that I find that looks good and promising. And today I have a non-phone position that is actually very well paying, so we're going to dive all into it. But real quickly, I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. The company is called OutSchool. They have 221 reviews on Glassdoor, a high overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a support escalation specialist. This is remote for the United States and for Canada. So they're hiring both in Canada or the United States. And this is going to be non-phone support. Now, OutSchool is on a mission to inspire kids to love learning. They achieve this by linking learning to kids' interests, connecting them with other classmates who share their same passions. So they are in the education space, and they're looking for somebody to play a role in their customer experience. So you're going to basically provide email support to parents and educators with complex and escalated product issues and questions. You're going to reduce the percentage of escalated tickets by developing strategies to tackle reoccurring challenging issues, making sure that you can solve them forever, ensuring that cases are efficiently handled by the team or the AI in the future. So not only are you going to be answering these emails, you're also going to play an active role in training outsourced agents or AI for any escalated cases. So you will have to have critical thinking skills, applying that to come up with workflows or processes or resolutions to the problems. So just completely providing that email customer support. They don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who can demonstrate experience as a top performer in customer support. You can specialize in handling complex cases. You have a track record of finding solutions that work. You have great communication skills and thrive in a dynamic, shifting environment. So you can kind of go with the flow, and change is always inevitable. So you have to be able to just move with the change. Pay for this position, though, is dependent on location and experience. On the low end, it's $67,500 a year, and on the high end, it goes all the way up to $90,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say I hope you have a fabulous holiday season ahead. Of course, if there's anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave those in the comments. I do read those and keep an eye out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.